We came to Allen Hall to become the next generation of communicators. In class and in the field, we sought to ask the important questions, develop our voices, and investigate the world around us. We have become a close community of journalists, strategic communicators, researchers, thought leaders, and storytellers.
If I were to describe my SOJC experience in one word, I think it would be inspiring.
The one word that comes to mind is community.
Transformative.
Influential.
It changed the way I see the world.
Opportunity.
Roller coaster.
Wholeness.
Just lots of excitement.
Perseverance.
Oh gosh, just one word, pretty dandy, just pretty amazing.
If I could give my freshman self one piece of advice, it would be to try things.
Don't be scared about anything you set your mind to.
And know that you'll fail, but know that you'll also find your footing.
I took Gateway super early when I was a freshman. I was ready to start getting things done, and then everything went online and everything kind of just hit like a train, man.
I was home for 11 months between my freshman and sophomore year due to the pandemic. So junior year, I really tried to put myself out there and get involved.
Coming back to campus was really emotional. It was great to be back. Being able to connect with people in a way that we couldn't during the pandemic is not replaceable. Being on campus is the perfect essence of being at college.
A lot of people enter the SOJC knowing that they're a creative person, but not really knowing exactly where to put those skills.
They really throw you out there. They show you what it's like to be a journalist. They show you what it's like to be in advertising and PR. Dean Mundy, PR professor, had me try out Allen Hall PR and really just changed my life. I was able to make a lot of documentaries and do a lot of video projects, which I never really thought of something that I would want to do.
I've always been a writer ever since I was little, but the SOJC has really helped mold and shape that into an actual career opportunity post-grad.
Finding opportunities is both easy and kind of hard at the SOJC because there's just so many of them.
During last summer, I was able to produce and edit a commercial that ran during the World Athletic Championships, which was an incredible opportunity for me, so I'm really grateful to be able to have access to do that.
The SOJC is the best school at the UO because of all the people here. Everyone is so supportive of one another, and it's such a great creative outlet.
Everyone is rooting for each other.
All my peers and the professors have just been wonderful.
We have an amazing group of alumni and just people.
Everyone just loves what they do and are passionate about what they do. I've never heard so many people brag about the school that they're in, and including myself.
Our journey at the SOJC is anything but typical. We are a college class unlike any other. The challenges we overcame, the bonds we forged, and the stories we told have all become the foundation for making a real impact on the world around us. SOJC grads, it's our time to take what we've learned in Allen Hall and boldly step into our future.